How to make a high passive income. Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to make a little extra money each month, especially as the economy suffers from widespread inflation. Passive income can help you earn more during good times and tide you over if you become suddenly unemployed, voluntarily take time off from work, or if inflation continues to erode your purchasing power. With passive income, you can have enough money coming in while still working your primary job. Or if you're able to build up a solid stream of passive income, you may want to relax a little. In either case, a passive income provides additional security. So guys, welcome back to Unlimited Money. Are you concerned about being able to save enough of your earnings to meet your retirement goals or building wealth through passive income? That's why today we'll discuss how to make a high passive income. Are you guys excited? Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. But before that, please hit that bell icon and subscribe to the channel so you get every single update from our channel. In the next few minutes, we have some amazing ideas about how to earn passive income. The first one, and the most commonly known idea, is affiliate marketing. Website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their website or social media account. Amazon's the most well-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareASale are also big names. And Instagram and TikTok have grown into massive platforms for those looking to build a following and promote their products. You could also consider building an email list to attract attention to your blog or to direct people to products and services that they might be interested in. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because you can earn money by simply adding a link to your website or social media account. In reality, you won't make any money if you can't get readers to click on the link and buy something. The next one is create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make that initial time investment and then reap the long-term benefits. Your app could be a game or one that assists mobile users with a difficult task. Users will download your app once it's made public, and you'll be able to earn money. If you can design something that appeals to your target audience, an app can be extremely beneficial. You'll need to think about how to make the most money from your app. For example, you can run in-app ads or charge users a small fee to download the app. If your app becomes popular or you receive feedback, you'll most likely need to add new features to keep it relevant and popular. Moving on to the next one, sponsored posts on social media. Do you have a large following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok? Obtain payment from emerging consumer brands to post about their product or otherwise feature it in your feed. However, you must continue to fill your profile with content that attracts your target audience. That means continuing to create social media posts that expand your reach and engage your followers. Making the most of your social media presence is an appealing business model. Draw attention and clicks to your profile with compelling content, and then monetize it by arranging a sponsored post from brands that appeal to your followers. The next thing you can do is create a blog or YouTube channel. Do you travel a lot? Are you a pro in gaming? Do you love to dance? Turn your passion for a subject into a blog or a YouTube channel. Monetize it with ads or sponsors. Find a popular topic, even if it is a small niche, and become an expert in it. You'll need to create a suite of content and attract an audience at first, but as you become known for your engaging content, it can provide a steady income stream over time. You can build a following by using a free or low-cost platform and great content. The more distinctive your voice is at an area of interest, the easier it is for you to become the person to follow. Then you can attract sponsors to you. The next one's for all the photography lovers out there. Sell your classy photography online. Selling photography online may not seem like the most obvious place to start a passive business, but it can help you scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos repeatedly. You could collaborate with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy to accomplish this. To begin, you must first be approved by the platform, after which you must license your photos for use by anyone who downloads them. The platform will then pay you every time your photo is used. You'll need photos that appeal to a specific demographic or depict a specific scene, and you'll need to figure out where the demand is. Photos could be of models, landscapes, creative scenarios, and so on, or they could be of real events that made the news. The next idea on our list is to create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is to create an audio or video course, then sit back and watch the money roll in. Sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera can be used to distribute and sell courses. You could also consider a freemium model, which involves building a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. This model could be used by language teachers or stock pickers, for example. The free content serves as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to advance. The next fab idea is to sell designs online. If you have design skills, you could turn them into a source of income by selling items with your printed designs on them. You can sell your own designs on t-shirts, hats, mugs, and other items through companies like Cafe Press and Zazzle. You can begin your own designs and see what the market wants, and then expand from there. You might be able to capitalize on the rising interest in a current event by designing a shirt that captures the spirit of the moment. Or, at the very least, a snarky take on it. You can also market your products by creating your own web storefront using a service like Shopify. You can go with the trend also by investing in stocks. When it comes to the world's richest people's income sources, it's safe to say that stocks have played a significant role in their deep, endless bank accounts. While the act of investing in stocks is relatively passive, the research that precedes it is not. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages per day, but not just any mystery novel. Nope. He reads annual reports for businesses. He improves his ability to invest in stocks by better understanding whether or not a business is performing well. Stock investments can help you earn passive income that far exceeds the value of your 9-to-5 job. Consider this passive income option if you are knowledgeable about various markets and industry movements. Rent out your spare room. That can also become a great source of your passive income. You can rent out an extra room in your apartment to someone for a set period of time if you have one. Platforms such as AirBnB, Vrbo, Vacasa will connect you with people looking for their next adventure. Airbnbs are preferred because they are actually less expensive than hotels, which means you can earn more passive income by listing your free space on Airbnb. It's important to note that becoming an Airbnb host requires some upfront effort. You may need to renovate or furnish your room before listing it. You may make it truly passive by hiring a part-time property manager to create listings and manage your properties. Keep in mind, however, they'll charge a monthly fee ranging from 8% to 10% of the monthly rent collected. So last but certainly not least, peer-to-peer lending. A peer-to-peer or P2P loan is a personal loan made between you and another person that's facilitated by a third-party intermediary such as Prosper or Lending Club. Funding Circle, which targets businesses and has higher borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risks, are two other players. You earn money as a lender by collecting interest on loans. However, because the loan is unsecured, you may end up with nothing if you default. To reduce that risk, you must do two things. Diversify your lending profile by distributing smaller sums across multiple loans. The minimum loan investment at Prosper.com and Lending Club is $25. Analyze historical data on prospective borrowers to make educated decisions. And I think that's the end of our video for now. I sincerely hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and make sure you press the bell icon too, so you never miss any updates. And if you have any questions or comments for us, please let us know in the comment box down below. And also make sure you check out our channel, where you'll find more really cool stuff. Thanks for watching today's video, and have a great day.